Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by powering down and positioning the machine so you can work safely. This prevents accidental movement. Once done, raise the needle and presser foot to release thread tension, then remove the bobbin or open the top cover. Now cut and remove the old thread, brush out lint, and set a new spool on the pin with the thread flowing off the front. Make sure the spool cap holds it snugly. These steps prime the machine for threading correctly. Next, you follow the machine's numbered thread path. Start at the spool guide and bring the thread down through the tension discs so it seats firmly. Then pull the thread up and pass it through the take-up lever, ensuring the lever is at its highest point. This step controls tension while sewing. Continue following guides toward the needle, using the small thread guides as reference. Make sure you leave a 6/8-inch tail at the needle to prevent slipping when you begin. Finish by inserting a properly wound bobbin into its case. Confirm the bobbin rotates in the correct direction for your machine. Thread the needle as specified, usually front to back, and hold the top thread while slowly turning the handwheel to lower and raise the needle. This draws the bobbin thread up. Once both threads are out, trim tails and run a slow test stitch on scrap fabric. If you get looping or puckering, recheck threading path and tension discs. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.